right, Jet, we're on bone 20. We're going to do logarithms today. Remember, a logarithm can be written in exponential form where the logarithm is an exponent. So we'll get started with that right now. I'm going to feed you in a little bit, and then we'll go retrieving, and then we'll do math. Okay. Hello, Jet. We're on bone 20. We're doing logarithms. This is a pretty simple logarithm problem. And remember our mantra, don't miss the easy ones. All right, let's take a look at this problem. Log base n, 1 over 27 equals -3. N equals what? Now, let's remember, Jet, we can put logs in exponential form. So log base A of B equals C. That's the same thing as saying A to the C power equals B. Remember, a logarithm is an exponent. Here, in exponential form, we're going to write n to the -3 equals 1 over 27. Now let's take a look at negative exponents, okay? A to the -n equals 1 over A to the n. Here, n equals 3. Because 3 to the -3 equals 1 over 3 cubed, which is 1 over 27. Okay, you try, Jet. Log base 4 of x equals -2. You should get x equals 1 over 16. All right, my friend, time to retrieve and then a treat.